Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C53. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter Security. Go to Screen Lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with the top of the list. And now we can select between non and swipe. These two screen locks are actually non-security. Now let's go to password, and to create password, let's select 4 characters at least. Now let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go to Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Firstly, let's select Face Unlock, and now scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, because of the lighting in this room, I can't scan my face, but basically you have to put it right here in the center of the ring, scan it, and then you'll be able to use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select Fingerprint Unlock. And now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.